Hi tubers, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but a few things have changed. Tommy has finally bit the bullet, bought himself a new bike. As you can see, he's bought one of them Kawasaki R6, is it? F? ER6. That one he's been riding for the last few years. Hopefully that's sold Friday coming, and we got a new project coming, so I'll show you the new project when it gets here. You'll probably tell by the title anyway what bike it is, but I'll show you when it gets delivered. Well, garage is a bit tidier from last time you was here. Anyway, there we go. And for the little Chinese Honda, that's going great. If anyone's been watching the videos on that, I will do another one on it after I've run for a few more miles on it. Tell you what issues or whatever is going on with it. The old trike, she's sitting waiting to have the carbs done on it. I'll get nagged by the wife for that, no doubt. But at the minute, the new bike should be arriving within the next 20 minutes. I've actually bought the bike from a place called Choice Bikes in Coventry. In fact, in the last few weeks, me and my mates have bought 4 bikes from there. Service excellent. Danny, who runs it, absolutely spot on guy. Well worth checking out. He's got loads and loads of bikes over there, all from project bikes to brand new bikes. But his vast range of used and repairable bikes, he's probably got a couple of hundred over there you can choose from, and they're not massive prices. Well worth checking out, like Choice Bikes. He doesn't even know I'm making this video and mentioning him, but he's a lovely guy. Let's wait for this bike to arrive. Well, the bike I've bought, it's got a few issues, i.e. plastics are all cracked, and it's stuck in gear, it's stuck in neutral. As you know, I love a project, love messing around with them and see if we can get it going. But yeah, I'm getting quite into these small little bikes. You can blast around on them, they're great fun. So that's why I've bought this one. Hopefully we can get it going. If we can get it going, we're laughing. But there is a major problem with the gear shift that just won't go into gear at all. I'm hoping it's going to be an easy fix, but you never know. So it's going to be interesting, and it should be here soon. Right then, man's turned up with the van, bang on time. Yeah, if you buy a bike from Choice Bikes, they actually deliver them nationwide.
Morning.
Morning, it's alright, YouTube.
You're going to play ball, mate.
Ah.
I'm going to give you a bag with you for 2 minutes now. That's Jan. Oh, wow.
And there it is, in there somewhere. As you can see, it's got a few bikes to deliver. Right then, let me get it out. We'll get it in the garage. Right then, here we go. It's a Benelli 125 with issues. It's the Tornado naked. But we've got issues. It'll not change gear. So, project. She's battered, but we wouldn't want it any other way. We can have a play with them plastics, see if we can plastic weld it up. But yeah, she's quite alright, I hope. Bit of damage here and there. Good scuff there. No front mud guard. But as usual, battery's flat on it. I think the first thing I'm going to do, get the seat off, get the battery on charge. That does come on. And what's that, 15,000 mile? Nearly 16,000 mile. But there isn't enough power in the battery to wind it over. So, first job, let's get it on charge. So, we've got it on charge. Yeah, we'll go on a fast charger. So, basically, wait around until it takes some charge. Yeah, lots of scuffs and stuff on it. But we need to know why it's not going in gear. Which will mean we're going to have to go in there and see if we can find out what's going on. Yeah, I like the twin exhausts on it. It's pretty funky. Yeah, funky little bikes. No, I wasn't swearing then. So, lots of scuffs and damage. But we ain't worried about that, are we? Yeah, indicators are on it. We'll see if we can, once we've got some power in it, go through what is actually working on it. Yeah, pretty cool. Like it. Well guys, we've got a bit of charge in it. I've been and had a cup of tea. Let's switch it on again. See what works on it. Okay. Do we have horn? Yep, horn. Don't know where anything is on it. Flash. Yeah, you can see that flashing on the wall. Don't know where any of the buttons are. Ah, is that indicator? Yep, got front indicator. It has actually got MOT on it, this bike. Yeah, I've got that indicator. Try the other side. Yeah, see that flashing? Yeah, but that's flashing. Right, next. Try and turn them off. That's off. Do we have any brake light? Ooh. That's off now. And if you can see under there. Yep, that's working. So, big question is, all the electrics seem to be working on it. Should we go for a start? Yeah, why not? And there you go, straight off. There we go. It's a nice little runner. Happy with that. Cool. Yeah, the engine sounds sweet. I'm liking that. running. It's this gear problem we need to sort out. That just don't do anything. Not a thing. Yeah, like it. Yeah, happy with that. Yeah. So, do we get serious? Do we dump the oil and start taking this cover off? Find out what's going on. I have done some videoing of when I was over at Choice Bikes, when we went to get Tom's. I'll add that into the video somewhere. Right then, let's get this bike moved across, get it jacked up and start looking at it. Okay, tally guys, let's hit the button. Little bike. So let's get started on this. We need to drop the oil first. I'm hoping this is the oil drain. I know nothing about these bikes, but that's what makes it more fun. Let's see if we've got any oil in it and what state that's in. Well, yeah, there's, looks like an oil. I suppose I better pop round the other side and undo the cap. See if it's got a vacuum in it. Let's try that. Right, I suppose we better get this cover off and see if we can see what's going on. I've just disconnected the clutch. So we'll take all these bolts out around it and have a look inside and see what we can see. Right, let me get these bolts out. Right guys, I've loosened everything off, undone the oil feed there, gone round everything, got everything, and we'll come back when I've pulled the casing off and see what's what. So I've took the casing off. All the bolts are all the same length, so we've got no issues there. Casing come off lovely, but I still can't see where I need to go. So looks like the clutch has got to come off. So we've got them 4 bolts there. We'll undo them and see what's behind there, because it's over there. I want to have a look behind it, see if I can see an issue there. So we'll get these 4 out and see what it looks like then. Okay guys, pull the clutch off. Everything's sent loose in here, as if someone else has been in here. So what I need to get to now is this, and see why this is not rotating. This arm here is moving, but it's not doing anything here. So I think that's my next point of call. See what's going on. Right, once I get into a bit more, well, I've got into a bit more, and let me just sit down. it looks like the problem is internal. So you know what that means, don't you? That means that has got to come out, totally stripped, and casing split so we can see what's going on in the gearbox. You take the risk. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But either way, we're going to have to get on with it. So I'm calling this a wrap on this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks to the subscribers. And wait for the next episode when we start taking all this out and splitting the engine. I'm down. I'm gone. Catch you on the next one. Right, quick walk around Choice Bikes. A few guys who are looking for a bike. There's a bit of a choice. Looks like these are all doer-uppers. You can see there's quite a few bikes here. These are the ones outside. Yeah, so if you're looking for a cheap bike, doer-upper, there you go. Plenty to choose from. Same over in that shed over there. A few here, bigger bikes. A lot of this stuff out here is Chinese. Yeah. Right, take you in the other shed. But there's a lot of Chinese stuff. As you can see, lots and lots of bikes. Stop bumming each other. Let's go over here a bit. Oh, that'll be me Coke. Around here a bit. Now, what did Tom want? Pan-European. There's one there. Pan-European. Another one. There's another one over there. And over there. I can get through. There's another one there. Pan-European. Got bikes all here. A lot of doer-uppers. You've got the knowledge. You're laughing. And then you got Tom's bike, he's to sport. Yeah. Plenty to look at. Plenty to dream about. Anyway, let's give you a quick look.